Hey guys, I'm Danny, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the JaeilPLM SQ100 projection screen. If you guys aren't sure how this works, we'll be going through that today. It's perfect for indoor use, outdoor use, parties, camping, you name it. The JaeilPLM projection screen is made in Korea. The screen is made of movie theater grade material, and because of this, the colors are crisp and clean. Alright guys, so let's take a look inside. Included in the box are 8 square connectors, 8 straight connectors, 8 hook strings, 12 fasteners, 8 long aluminum pulls, 8 short aluminum pulls, and the screen. And it all fits inside this nylon bag. If you have any questions, take a look at your handy dandy manual. Now that we've seen the parts, let's get this bad boy together. For the first step, we took 2 long aluminum pulls, connected them with a straight connector. On each end, we put the square connectors and hooked it all together with a hook string. You're going to assemble 4 of these. We're going to take these 2 long pulls and connect them with these 2 short pulls to make our rectangular base, top and bottom. Next, we're going to take these 2 short aluminum pulls and connect them with a straight connector, and we'll make 4 of these. Now that we have our frame complete, it might seem a little wobbly, but we'll hold it together with our hook strings. Now we're going to attach our screen to the frame. We're going to insert the triangle pin into the square connector on both top ends of the stand. Next, we're going to attach our screen to the hooks. And finally, we'll secure the screen with our fasteners. And there you have it, simple and easy to set up. The JaeilPLM SQ100 is a 100-inch screen, but it's also available in other sizes. Again, this is Danny. Thanks for watching, y'all.